Kamu mau lancar berbahasa Inggris? Kesungguhan dan konsistensi merupakan kunci utama yang perlu kalian miliki saat mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Rutinlah mengulang materi ini dengan praktik mandiri atau dengan temanmu dan rasakan bagaimana peningkatannya. Ayo mulai. Apakah kamu punya pena lebih?
Do you have an extra pen? Do you have an extra pen?
Iya, aku punya satu di laci mejaku.
Yes, I have one in my desk drawer. Yes, I have one in my desk drawer.
Apakah kamu sudah melakukan backup file penting?
Have you backed up the important files? Have you backed up the important files?
Saya melakukannya setiap malam secara otomatis.
I do it every night automatically. I do it every night automatically.
Apakah mesin fotokopi sudah diperbaiki?
Has the photocopy machine been fixed? Has the photocopy machine been fixed?
Ya, teknisi tadi pagi memperbaikinya.
Yes, the technician fixed it this morning. Yes, the technician fixed it this morning.
Kita butuh stok kopi untuk pantry.
We need to restock coffee for the pantry. We need to restock coffee for the pantry.
Baiklah, aku akan memesannya sekarang juga.
All right, I'll order it right now. All right, I'll order it right now.
Apa kamu sudah makan siang belum?
Have you had lunch yet? Have you had lunch yet?
Belum, saya masih sibuk.
Not yet, I'm still busy. Not yet, I'm still busy.
Apakah printer ini sudah diperbaiki?
Has this printer been fixed? Has this printer been fixed?
Belum, masih menunggu teknisi.
Not yet, still waiting for the technician. Not yet, still waiting for the technician.
Rapat nanti membahas apa saja?
What will the meeting later discuss? What will the meeting later discuss?
Utamanya tentang anggaran tahunan.
Mainly about the annual budget. Mainly about the annual budget.
Apa kamu sudah memesan ruang rapat?
Have you booked meeting room? Have you booked meeting room?
Ya, semua sudah diatur.
Yes, everything has been arranged. Yes, everything has been arranged.
Saya punya ide untuk presentasi kita.
I have an idea for our presentation. I have an idea for our presentation.
Ceritakan lebih lanjut.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
Di mana saya bisa temukan klip kertas?
Where can I find paper clips? Where can I find paper clips?
Di lemari arsip, laci paling atas.
In the filing cabinet, top drawer. In the filing cabinet, top drawer.
Kita perlu lebih banyak kertas printer.
We need more printer paper. We need more printer paper.
Saya akan pesan sekarang.
I will order it now. I will order it now.
Kapan deadline laporan ini?
When is the deadline for this report? When is the deadline for this report?
Akhir pekan ini.
By the end of this week. By the end of this week.
Saya butuh kopi, mau ikut.
I need coffee, want to join. I need coffee, want to join.
Saya lebih suka jus jeruk.
I prefer orange juice. I prefer orange juice.
Apa kamu melihat file saya yang hilang?
Have you seen my missing file? Have you seen my missing file?
Coba cek di bawah meja.
Try checking under the table. Try checking under the table.
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang proposal ini?
What do you think about this proposal? What do you think about this proposal?
Menurutku, kita perlu menambahkan beberapa poin lagi.
I think we need to add a few more points. I think we need to add a few more points.
Bisakah kita tunda rapatnya?
Can we postpone the meeting? Can we postpone the meeting?
Baik, mari atur ulang waktunya.
All right, let's reschedule. All right, let's reschedule.
Apa kamu mau gabung makan siang bersama?
Do you want to join for lunch together? Do you want to join for lunch together?
Iya, itu akan menyenangkan.
Yes, that would be nice. Yes, that would be nice.
Saya lembur malam ini.
I'm working overtime tonight. I'm working overtime tonight.
Saya juga.
Me too. Me too.
Butuh tambahan pemanis untuk tehmu.
Need any sweetener for your tea? Need any sweetener for your tea?
Sedikit madu, terima kasih.
A bit of honey, thank you. A bit of honey, thank you.
Saya pikir kita butuh tim baru untuk ini.
I think we need a new team for this. I think we need a new team for this.
Benar, saya setuju.
Right, I agree. Right, I agree.
Printer mana yang bisa saya gunakan?
Which printer can I use? Which printer can I use?
Gunakan yang di sudut, itu lebih cepat.
Use the one in the corner, it's faster. Use the one in the corner, it's faster.
Kapan kamu siap untuk presentasi?
When are you ready for the presentation? When are you ready for the presentation?
Dalam 10 menit.
In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes.
Apakah kita perlu sewa konsultan untuk ini?
Do we need to hire a consultant for this? Do we need to hire a consultant for this?
Mungkin, mari kita diskusikan lebih lanjut.
Maybe. Let's discuss it further. Maybe. Let's discuss it further.
Dokumen tersebut harus diarsipkan.
Those documents need to be archived. Those documents need to be archived.
Saya akan lakukan hari ini.
I'll do it today. I'll do it today.
Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan presentasi itu?
Have you completed that presentation? Have you completed that presentation?
Masih membutuhkan beberapa perubahan.
Still needs some tweaking. Still needs some tweaking.
Bolehkah saya melihat jadwal rapat minggu ini?
Can I see this week's meeting schedule? Can I see this week's meeting schedule?
Tentu, saya akan kirim sekarang.
Sure, I'll send it now. Sure, I'll send it now.
Bisakah kita merencanakan strategi pemasaran baru?
Can we plan a new marketing strategy? Can we plan a new marketing strategy?
Ya, mari kita diskusikan besok.
Yes, let's discuss it tomorrow. Yes, let's discuss it tomorrow.
Apakah kamu sudah memperbarui software itu?
Have you updated that software? Have you updated that software?
Sudah, semua terkini sekarang.
Yes, all updated now. Yes, all updated now.
Bagaimana kabar server hari ini?
How is the server doing today? How is the server doing today?
Semua berjalan lancar, tidak ada masalah.
All smooth, no issues. All smooth, no issues.
Dapatkah kita menyewa lebih banyak staf bulan ini?
Can we hire more staff this month? Can we hire more staff this month?
Saya pikir kita masih perlu membahas anggaran.
I think we still need to discuss the budget. I think we still need to discuss the budget.
Dapatkah kamu mengirimkan laporan penjualan terkini?
Can you send the latest sales report? Can you send the latest sales report?
Akan saya kirim dalam 5 menit.
I'll send it in 5 minutes. I'll send it in 5 minutes.
Bolehkah saya meminjam pena kamu sebentar?
Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I borrow your pen for a moment?
Tentu, ambil saja di meja saya.
Sure, just take it on my desk. Sure, just take it on my desk.
Bisakah kamu membantu mengatur video konferensi itu?
Can you help set up that video conference? Can you help set up that video conference?
Tentu, saya akan siapkan semuanya.
Sure, I will set everything up. Sure, I will set everything up.
Apakah kamu sudah mengirimkan email undangan itu?
Have you sent out that invite email? Have you sent out that invite email?
Ya, semua undangan telah dikirim.
Yes, all invites have been sent out. Yes, all invites have been sent out.
Apa kita memerlukan pembersih udara baru di kantor?
Do we need a new air purifier in the office? Do we need a new air purifier in the office?
Ya, terutama untuk ruang rapat utama.
Yes, especially for the main meeting room. Yes, especially for the main meeting room.
Apakah ada berita tentang peningkatan anggaran kita?
Is there any news about our budget increase? Is there any news about our budget increase?
Tidak ada konfirmasi, saya akan tanyakan lagi.
No confirmation yet, I'll ask again. No confirmation yet, I'll ask again.
Kapan kita akan memiliki audit keuangan berikutnya?
When will we have the next financial audit? When will we have the next financial audit?
Dijadwalkan untuk bulan depan.
Scheduled for next month. Scheduled for next month.
Butuh bantuan untuk merapikan arsip.
Need help to tidy up the archives. Need help to tidy up the archives.
Dengan senang hati, mari kita mulai.
Gladly, let's start. Gladly, let's start.
Saya pikir kita perlu kursi yang lebih nyaman.
I think we need more comfortable chairs. I think we need more comfortable chairs.
Saya setuju, itu penting untuk kesehatan.
I agree, it's important for health. I agree, it's important for health.
Kita perlu memperbaharui daftar kontak klien.
We need to update the client contact list. We need to update the client contact list.
Ya, aku akan mulai melakukannya hari ini.
Yes, I'll start on it today. Yes, I'll start on it today.
Perlu bantuan mempersiapkan ruang untuk klien?
Need help preparing the room for clients. Need help preparing the room for clients.
Tentu saja, aku akan bantu.
Of course, I'll help. Of course, I'll help.
Aku butuh pendapatmu tentang desain baru ini.
I need your opinion on this new design. I need your opinion on this new design.
Mari kita lihat, aku tertarik.
Let's have a look. I'm intrigued. Let's have a look. I'm intrigued.
Kapan kita akan merevisi gaji tim?
When will we revise the teen's salary? When will we revise the teen's salary?
Dalam 2 bulan ke depan.
In the next 2 months. In the next 2 months.
Aku merasa ruangan ini perlu disaring udaranya.
I feel this room needs an air filter. I feel this room needs an air filter.
Sepakat. Kualitas udara penting.
Agreed. Air quality is important. Agreed. Air quality is important.
Apakah kamu ada alat pembersih keyboard?
Do you have a keyboard cleaning tool? Do you have a keyboard cleaning tool?
Iya, di laci mejaku.
Yes, in my desk drawer. Yes, in my desk drawer.
Di mana aku bisa dapatkan formulir cuti?
Where can I get the leave form? Where can I get the leave form?
Di sistem online atau tanya HR.
On the online system or ask HR. On the online system or ask HR.
Apa kantin masih buka jam ini?
Is the cafeteria still open at this hour? Is the cafeteria still open at this hour?
Sudah tutup? Tapi ada warung lesehan di dekat sini.
It's closed, but there's a nearby food stall. It's closed, but there's a nearby food stall.
Aku kesulitan dengan tugas ini, bisa bantu.
I'm struggling with this task, can you help? I'm struggling with this task, can you help?
Tentu, mari kita pecahkan bersama.
Sure, let's figure it out together. Sure, let's figure it out together.
Haruskah kita merayakan ulang tahun kantor?
Should we celebrate the office anniversary? Should we celebrate the office anniversary?
Tentu, itu akan menjadi motivasi.
Of course, it would be motivating. Of course, it would be motivating.
Kita kekurangan lampu di sudut ruangan.
We lack lighting in the corner of the room. We lack lighting in the corner of the room.
Aku akan menambahkan lampu meja.
I'll add a desk lamp. I'll add a desk lamp.
Apa kamu tahu siapa yang membawa proyektor?
Do you know who took the projector? Do you know who took the projector?
Aku pikir itu ada di ruang konferensi.
I think it's in the conference room. I think it's in the conference room.
Boleh aku meminjam buku panduan itu?
May I borrow that manual book? May I borrow that manual book?
Silakan, sudah selesai kugunakan?
Sure, I'm done using it. Sure, I'm done using it.
Aku pikir kita perlu lebih banyak tempat penyimpanan.
I think we need more storage space. I think we need more storage space.
Aku setuju. Mari kita diskusikan solusinya.
I agree. Let's discuss solutions. I agree. Let's discuss solutions.
Bisa bantu aku menata ulang buku-buku ini?
Can you help me rearrange these books? Can you help me rearrange these books?
Tentu. Mari kita sortir dulu.
Sure, let's sort them first. Sure, let's sort them first.
Apakah ruang rapat sudah di-booking untuk besok?
Is the meeting room booked for tomorrow? Is the meeting room booked for tomorrow?
Belum, aku akan lakukan sekarang.
Not yet, I will do it now. Not yet, I will do it now.
Bagaimana dengan mengadakan pelatihan penjualan?
How about conducting sales training? How about conducting sales training?
Ide bagus. Mari kita tentukan tanggalnya.
Great idea. Let's set a date. Great idea. Let's set a date.
Apakah kamu punya update tentang audit?
Do you have an update about the audit? Do you have an update about the audit?
Ya, semuanya berjalan sesuai rencana.
Yes, everything is going according to plan. Yes, everything is going according to plan.
Kapan kantor akan melakukan upgrade sistem?
When will the office do a system upgrade? When will the office do a system upgrade?
Rencananya bulan depan.
It's planned for next month. It's planned for next month.
Aku khawatir tentang keamanan data kantor.
I'm concerned about office data security. I'm concerned about office data security.
Ya, kita harus mengadakan sesi pelatihan tentang itu.
Yes, we should have a training session on it. Yes, we should have a training session on it.
Apa kamu sudah menyelesaikan laporan bulanan itu?
Have you finished that monthly report? Have you finished that monthly report?
Ya, saya baru saja mengirimkannya ke emailmu.
Yes, I just sent it to your email. Yes, I just sent it to your email.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya dengan presentasi ini?
Can you help me with this presentation? Can you help me with this presentation?
Tentu, apa yang perlu saya lakukan?
Sure. What do I need to do? Sure. What do I need to do?
Jam berapa rapat tim akan dimulai?
What time does the team meeting start? What time does the team meeting start?
Rapat akan dimulai pukul 10 pagi.
The meeting will start at 10 in the morning. The meeting will start at 10 in the morning.
Apa kamu bisa meminjamkan charger laptopmu?
Can you lend me your laptop charger? Can you lend me your laptop charger?
Tentu, ambil saja di meja saya.
Sure. Just take it from my desk. Sure. Just take it from my desk.
Bagaimana cara menggunakan proyektor baru ini?
How do we use this new projector? How do we use this new projector?
Saya akan menunjukkannya kepada kamu. Sangat mudah.
I will show you. It's very easy. I will show you. It's very easy.
Apakah kamu sudah mengecek email dari direksi?
Have you checked the email from the board? Have you checked the email from the board?
Ya, saya sudah membacanya dan menyiapkan tanggapan.
Yes, I've read it and prepared a response. Yes, I've read it and prepared a response.
Mohon print dokumen ini dalam format booklet.
Please print this document in booklet format. Please print this document in booklet format.
Baik, berapa banyak kopi yang kamu butuhkan?
Okay, how many copies do you need? Okay, how many copies do you need?
Apakah kamu sudah mengecek email hari ini?
Have you checked your email today? Have you checked your email today?
Belum, saya akan segera melakukannya.
No, I will do it right away. No, I will do it right away.
Apakah printer ini digunakan?
Is this printer being used? Is this printer being used?
Tidak, silakan gunakan.
No, please go ahead and use it. No, please go ahead and use it.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya dengan laporan ini?
Could you help me with this report? Could you help me with this report?
Tentu, apa yang perlu saya lakukan?
Of course. What do I need to do? Of course. What do I need to do?
Ruang rapat mana yang kita gunakan hari ini?
Which meeting room are we using today? Which meeting room are we using today?
Kita akan menggunakan ruang rapat B.
We'll be using meeting room B. We'll be using meeting room B.
Apakah ada pesan untuk saya?
Are there any messages for me? Are there any messages for me?
Tidak ada pesan yang masuk.
No messages have come in. No messages have come in.
Apakah Anda tahu kata sandi Wi-Fi baru?
Do you know the new Wi-Fi password? Do you know the new Wi-Fi password?
Ya, saya akan mengirimkannya kepada Anda.
Yes, I'll send it to you. Yes, I'll send it to you.
Bisakah kita menjadwalkan pertemuan untuk besok?
Can we schedule a meeting for tomorrow? Can we schedule a meeting for tomorrow?
Tentu, saya akan mengecek agenda.
Sure, I will check the calendar. Sure, I will check the calendar.
Siapa yang bertanggung jawab atas proyek ini?
Who is in charge of this project? Who is in charge of this project?
Bapak Eli yang mengelola proyek ini.
Mr. Ollie is managing this project. Mr. Ollie is managing this project.
Kapan tenggat waktu untuk ini?
When is the deadline for this? When is the deadline for this?
Tenggat waktu adalah minggu depan.
The deadline is next week. The deadline is next week.
Apakah kamu butuh alat tulis tambahan?
Do you need any additional stationery? Do you need any additional stationery?
Ya, saya butuh lebih banyak spidol.
Yes, I need more markers. Yes, I need more markers.
Kapan kita akan menerima hasilnya?
When will we receive the results? When will we receive the results?
Hasilnya akan keluar hari Jumat.
The results will come out on Friday. The results will come out on Friday.
Bisakah kamu menelepon klien tersebut?
Can you call that client? Can you call that client?
Ya, saya akan menelponnya setelah ini.
Yes, I will call them after this. Yes, I will call them after this.
Di mana saya bisa mendapatkan kunci ruang arsip?
Where can I get the key to the archive room? Where can I get the key to the archive room?
Kunci ada di meja resepsionis.
The key at the reception desk. The key at the reception desk.
Kapan jam makan siang kita?
When is our lunch break? When is our lunch break?
Jam makan siang mulai pukul 12 siang.
Lunch break starts at 12 noon. Lunch break starts at 12 noon.
Di mana saya bisa meminjam proyektor?
Where can I borrow a projector? Where can I borrow a projector?
Anda bisa meminjamnya dari Departemen IT.
You can borrow it from the department. You can borrow it from the department.
Apakah ini pertemuan wajib untuk semua staf?
Is this meeting mandatory for all staff? Is this meeting mandatory for all staff?
Ya, semua anggota tim harus hadir.
Yes, all team members need to be present. Yes, all team members need to be present.
Bagaimana cara menggunakan mesin fotokopi ini?
How do I use this photocopy machine? How do I use this photocopy machine?
Saya akan menunjukkan caranya kepada Anda.
I'll show you how to use it. I'll show you how to use it.
Bisakah kita mendiskusikan anggaran sebentar?
Can we discuss the budget for a moment? Can we discuss the budget for a moment?
Tentu, ayo kita lihat detailnya.
Of course, let's look at the details. Of course, let's look at the details.
Apakah kita memiliki cukup persediaan untuk bulan ini?
Do we have enough supplies for this month? Do we have enough supplies for this month?
Perlu diperiksa lagi. Saya akan mengeceknya.
It needs to be checked. I'll look into it. It needs to be checked. I'll look into it.
Kapan kita mendapatkan kursi kantor yang baru?
When do we get the new office chairs? When do we get the new office chairs?
Minggu depan seharusnya sudah tiba.
They should arrive by next week. They should arrive by next week.
Apakah kamu sudah meninjau kontrak baru tersebut?
Have you reviewed the new contract? Have you reviewed the new contract?
Ya, ada beberapa bagian yang perlu diubah.
Yes, there are some parts that need changes. Yes, there are some parts that need changes.
Bagaimana jika kita merancang ulang website perusahaan?
What if we redesign the company website? What if we redesign the company website?
Itu perlu. Terakhir diupdate tahun lalu.
That's needed. It was last updated last year. That's needed. It was last updated last year.
Bisakah kamu bantu saya dengan printer ini?
Could you help me with this printer? Could you help me with this printer?
Tentu, apa masalahnya?
Sure, what's the issue? Sure, what's the issue?
Rapat apa yang kita punya hari ini?
What meetings do we have today? What meetings do we have today?
Kita punya rapat tim pada siang hari.
We have a team meeting in the afternoon. We have a team meeting in the afternoon.
Apakah kamu sudah selesai dengan laporan itu?
Have you finished that report? Have you finished that report?
Ya, saya baru saja mengirimnya ke emailmu.
Yes, I've just sent it to your email. Yes, I've just sent it to your email.
Kapan batas waktu proyek ini?
When is the deadline for this project? When is the deadline for this project?
Akhir bulan ini.
End of this month. End of this month.
Bisakah kita diskusi tentang anggaran sekarang?
Can we discuss the budget now? Can we discuss the budget now?
Tentu, mari kita lihat detailnya.
Sure, let's look at the details. Sure, let's look at the details.
Ada berita apa dari kantor pusat?
Any news from the headquarters? Any news from the headquarters?
Mereka akan mengirim auditor minggu depan.
They will send auditors next week. They will send auditors next week.
Apa kamu sudah makan siang?
Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch?
Belum. Saya berencana segera pergi.
Not yet. I plan to go soon. Not yet. I plan to go soon.
Apa kamu butuh bantuan terkait presentasi itu?
Do you need help with that presentation? Do you need help with that presentation?
Ya, bisa tolong lihatkan datanya.
Yes, could you please check the data? Yes, could you please check the data?
Apa kamu telah memeriksa email dari klien?
Have you checked the email from the client? Have you checked the email from the client?
Ya, saya akan membalasnya sekarang.
Yes, I'll reply to it now. Yes, I'll reply to it now.
Sudah berapa lama kamu bekerja di sini?
How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here?
Sudah hampir 3 tahun.
Almost 3 years. Almost 3 years.
Ada yang bisa saya bantu?
Is there anything I can help with? Is there anything I can help with?
Bisa tolong print dokumen ini?
Could you please print this document? Could you please print this document?
Kita perlu lebih banyak kopi di pantry.
We need more coffee in the pantry. We need more coffee in the pantry.
Saya akan memesan lebih banyak sekarang.
I'll order more right now. I'll order more right now.
Printer ini lagi rusak.
This printer is broken again. This printer is broken again.
Oke, saya akan memanggil teknisi.
Okay, I'll call the technician. Okay, I'll call the technician.
Bagaimana progres proyekmu?
How's your project progress? How's your project progress?
Semuanya berjalan lancar, terima kasih.
Everything is going smoothly, thank you. Everything is going smoothly, thank you.
Kamu mau minum apa?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Bisa tolong buatkan saya segelas jus?
Could you make me a glass of juice? Could you make me a glass of juice?
Apa laporan keuangan untuk kuartal ini sudah siap?
Is the financial report for this quarter ready? Is the financial report for this quarter ready?
Hampir, saya butuh beberapa data lagi.
Almost, I need a few more data points. Almost, I need a few more data points.
Apa kamu akan menghadiri seminar itu?
Will you attend that seminar? Will you attend that seminar?
Iya, saya sudah mendaftar.
Yes, I've already registered. Yes, I've already registered.
Saya pikir kita perlu update perangkat lunak ini.
I think we need to update this software. I think we need to update this software.
Saya setuju, saya akan melakukannya sekarang.
I agree, I'll do it now. I agree, I'll do it now.
Bagaimana cara menggunakan mesin fax baru ini?
How do you use this new fax machine? How do you use this new fax machine?
Saya akan menunjukkannya untukmu.
I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you.
Dapatkah kita mendiskusikan strategi pemasaran baru?
Can we discuss the new marketing strategy? Can we discuss the new marketing strategy?
Ya, mari kita atur waktu untuk besok.
Yes, let's schedule a time for tomorrow. Yes, let's schedule a time for tomorrow.
Bagaimana kamu mengelola semua emailmu?
How do you manage all your emails? How do you manage all your emails?
Saya biasanya mengurutkannya setiap pagi.
I usually sort them every morning. I usually sort them every morning.
Apa kamu ingin bergabung dengan kami untuk makan siang?
Would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch?
Terima kasih, saya senang bergabung.
Thank you, I'd love to join. Thank you, I'd love to join.
Apakah kamu telah melihat berita perusahaan terbaru?
Have you seen the latest company news? Have you seen the latest company news?
Belum, saya akan cek sekarang.
Not yet, I'll check it now. Not yet, I'll check it now.
Kita perlu melatih tim baru dengan cepat.
We need to train the new team quickly. We need to train the new team quickly.
Setuju. Mari kita mulai minggu depan.
Agreed. Let's start next week. Agreed. Let's start next week.
Bisa bantu saya atur ulang meja saya?
Can you help me rearrange my desk? Can you help me rearrange my desk?
Tentu. Mari kita lakukan sekarang.
Sure. Let's do it now. Sure. Let's do it now.
Bagaimana menurutmu tentang proposal itu?
What do you think about that proposal? What do you think about that proposal?
Menarik, tapi perlu beberapa perbaikan.
Interesting, but it needs some revisions. Interesting, but it needs some revisions.
Kita perlu meningkatkan keamanan data kita.
We need to enhance our data security. We need to enhance our data security.
Saya setuju. Mari kita diskusikan detailnya.
I agree. Let's discuss the details. I agree. Let's discuss the details.
Bisakah kamu cek suhu ruangan?
Can you check the room temperature? Can you check the room temperature?
Apakah sudah terlalu dingin?
Is it too cold already? Is it too cold already?
Apa kamu bisa bantu saya menyiapkan slide ini?
Can you help me prepare these slides? Can you help me prepare these slides?
Tentu, ayo kita mulai.
Sure. Let's start. Sure. Let's start.
Di mana aku bisa pinjam stapler?
Where can I borrow a stapler? Where can I borrow a stapler?
Coba tanya di meja resepsionis.
Try asking at the reception desk. Try asking at the reception desk.
Apa kamu sudah minum air hari ini?
Have you drunk water today? Have you drunk water today?
Belum, aku akan minum sekarang.
Not yet. I will drink some now. Not yet. I will drink some now.
Apa kamu tahu password Wi-Fi baru?
Do you know the new Wi-Fi password? Do you know the new Wi-Fi password?
Ya, aku akan mengirimkannya padamu.
Yes, I'll send it to you. Yes, I'll send it to you.
Bisakah kita minum es setelah ini?
Can we have some ice after this? Can we have some ice after this?
Tentu saja, saya membutuhkan yang segar.
Of course, I need something refreshing. Of course, I need something refreshing.
Apa kamu sudah memeriksa email pagi ini?
Have you checked your email this morning? Have you checked your email this morning?
Belum, tapi aku akan melakukannya sekarang.
Not yet, but I will do it now. Not yet, but I will do it now.
Sepertinya aku kehilangan pena favoritku.
It seems I've lost my favorite pen. It seems I've lost my favorite pen.
Aku punya lebih, mau.
I have an extra one, want it. I have an extra one, want it.
Bisakah kita pesan makan siang lebih awal hari ini?
Can we order lunch earlier today? Can we order lunch earlier today?
Ide bagus, aku sudah lapar.
Good idea, I'm already hungry. Good idea, I'm already hungry.
Apa kita memiliki catatan pertemuan terakhir?
Do we have the notes from the last meeting? Do we have the notes from the last meeting?
Ya, aku akan mengirimkannya ke grup.
Yes, I'll send it to the group. Yes, I'll send it to the group.
Hari ini sepertinya jalanan macet parah.
It seems the traffic is really bad today. It seems the traffic is really bad today.
Iya, aku harus bangun lebih pagi besok.
Yes, I need to wake up earlier tomorrow. Yes, I need to wake up earlier tomorrow.
Bolehkah aku mengatur ulang jadwal rapat kita?
May I reschedule our meeting? May I reschedule our meeting?
Tentu, kapan waktu yang lebih baik untukmu?
Sure. When would be a better time for you? Sure. When would be a better time for you?
Apa ada yang baru tentang proyek kita?
Is there anything new about our project? Is there anything new about our project?
Ada beberapa perubahan dari klien.
There are some changes from the client. There are some changes from the client.
Bisakah kita menambahkan lebih banyak tanaman di kantor?
Can we add more plants to the office? Can we add more plants to the office?
Bagus sekali. Aku suka ide itu.
Great idea. I love it. Great idea. I love it.
Kita kehabisan kertas. Kamu bisa bantu beli?
We are out of paper. Can you help buy some? We are out of paper. Can you help buy some?
Tentu, aku akan pergi sebentar lagi.
Sure. I'll go in a bit. Sure. I'll go in a bit.
Kantor kita perlu lebih banyak alat tulis.
Our office needs more stationery. Our office needs more stationery.
Saya setuju, akan aku pesan.
I agree. I'll order. I agree. I'll order.
Apa kamu tahu tempat mencetak terdekat?
Do you know the nearest printing place? Do you know the nearest printing place?
Ada satu di seberang jalan.
There's one across the street. There's one across the street.
Bisakah kamu review email yang akan kukirim?
Can you review the email I'm going to send? Can you review the email I'm going to send?
Tentu, kirimkan draftnya.
Sure. Send me the draft. Sure. Send me the draft.